Welcome to Tech Prep video tutorials. In week 12 of biology, let's solve a question. The question asked is, ABO blood group is an example of epitasis, multiple allelism, pleiotropism, or complementary genes. Let's look at it from the bottom, which is complementary genes. Complementary genes is one of two or more genes that when present together produce effects different from the separate effect of any one of them. The complementary gene is an interaction of two dominant non-interallelic genes in which each gene has its own effect, but when together they interact to give a new trait, and they do not, and they change the Mendelian ratio. Now let's look at the third option, which is pleiotropism. A single gene may have two or more phenotypic expressions. The multiple phenotypic effect of a single gene is called pleiotropism. Example in humans is the Marfan's syndrome, sickle cell disease. Okay, and let's look at the second option, which is multiple allelism. What is multiple allelism? A class of multiple alleles with different DNA sequences that produce proteins with identical properties. So that's multiple allelism, which means a population or species of organisms typically include multiple alleles at each locus among various individuals. Allelic variation is a locus at a locus is measurable as the number of alleles or polymorphism present, or the proportion of heterozygotes in the population. Now let's look at epitasis. How do you define epitasis? It is the phenomenon by which one gene does not allow alleles of another locus to express. This is a counterpart of dominance, wherein the dominance is intergenic suppression, which means there are two alleles, capital A, and dominant allele and suppressed allele. So this epistasis is intragenic suppression. Epistasis can be defined as a gene or a gene interaction whereby one gene interferes with the phenotypic expression of another non-allelic gene or genes. So the gene or the locus which suppresses or hides the action of a gene at another locus is called epistatic gene, or the gene whose expression is suppressed is called a hypostatic gene. So ABO blood group, well, it's not pleiotropism and it's not complementary genes. It can be ABO blood group does not follow the Mendel's laws, so it is an example of epistasis, and the result of epistasis is what we get in is the multiple allelism in the ABO blood group, wherein we have more than 70 alleles which are known to exist at the ABO locus.